Okay, here we are in Australia. This is our first filming. Everybody wave. Good morning. We're gonna say hello to the village. Hey, village. Yeah, there we go. We're having a little breakfast, and then we're going to yoga, and then we're going to meditate. So I'll show you the room we're gonna play in. And here's Patricia making sure everything is ready. Here's our playroom.
Good morning.
Yay. So here we are. Hey, we've just finished our very first day. Look at these amazing books. You guys can talk. Did you have a good time?
Yes!
We had a great time.
Yes.
Wow, look at all these amazing books.
The next workshop's in New Zealand.
That's right. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. I